Hey guys, so I just recorded this look for you all. I did my own box braids. This is my first time doing this, and so I created like two sides for it, one this way. So I created this look too, like two side parts or a middle, like an off-center middle part as well. So I did these braids late Friday night, and I mean late Friday night. I literally started like 10ish because I went and washed my hair, whatever, but when I got started to actually do my braids, it was around 10 o'clock, and I got done at 5:45 a.m. Like, these literally took so freaking long. So, but they turned out decent for me to do them by myself and to not really know how to braid like that. So they turned out really okay, and I'm really loving the results that I have given myself. So I really like it. It's not really a tutorial I'm showing you guys. I'm just showing you how I grip the braid, grip the hair, how I braided my real hair to the weave. So the pack that I use for this hair here is the Yaki Softer Braid 100% synthetic fiber hand braided hair, and I got it in the color 1. You can get 1, 1B. I just choose to get 1, and obviously this was like the cheaper one, like 99 cents at my local beauty supply store. So I just got it in the color 1, and I got 12 packs in total, but only used like a total of 5 packs completely, and then like 2 little braids of hair section from the 6-pack. So I didn't use that much, so basically 6 packs in all. I did the back kind of bigger, so I don't know if you can see it, but the back are bigger. And then once I got towards the top, I tried to do it a little smaller, but as I got towards the end, I did make some of the braids a little bigger because I was so freaking tired. So if you want to see how I got this look here, don't forget to keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks. I wanted to come on camera until I was like almost like 85% done, and this was like late into the night. When I tell you guys, it was probably around 3:30, almost going on 4 o'clock or something. So that's how much hair I had left in my hair. And so in the next clip, you will see me how I apply my braids. So it was a struggle with this front braid here, you guys. When I tell you, I took this braid loose about 5 different times. So I finally got it right. Just showing you how I was braiding it. As you see here, I only have 1 braid left in my hair, because when I tell you guys, I was just trying to get through and through. On this side, I did let my braids get a little bit bigger because I was ready to go. So soon you'll see me work on the last braid, and you'll see how I apply it. So here I'm showing you how I attach the synthetic hair to my real hair. So all it is like a U shape around my real hair, and I just take it like I'm just going to do a 3-strand braid, go over it, like hook on to the other synthetic braid, take my real hair here, pull it tight so it can stay tight to the scalp, and then just start braiding down. Let me know if you guys want to see like a more detailed video later when I do box braids later this year. So that's how I attach the braid, and I just keep 3-stranding it all the way down. So this is the finished look with my hair is not being boiled at the end. So this is when I got done braiding all of my hair. And here is the finished look once I put my braids in hot water and all of that. I do seal it with oil at the ends. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video.